Hi everyone, and welcome back again. From our previous module, we've established trust as the invisible layer driving performance. Now, let's talk about trust meeting reality and making expertise visible. Picture these scenarios. A control room operator senses something's wrong despite all flags green. Their instinct represents years of pattern reconnections, no checklist captures. A maintenance engineer raising concerns after design approval is applying contextual knowledge the formal process can't accommodate. The environmental compliance officer interpreting regulations, they are making judgment calls that protect the organizations, decisions that exist only in their mind. These observations are sometimes overlooked. Meanwhile, their responsibilities are non-negotiable. And the real risk is not that people work around system, but when this critical expertise remains invisible and vulnerable to replacement. For example, when that compliance officer retires, their compliance tracking system, the real one, not the official one, disappears. Trust rebuilds when systems bridge formal requirements and operational reality, not by forcing expertise into rigid workflows, but by making informal wisdom visible and sustainable. The digital middle manager does not choose between compliance and expertise. They create transparency where both can coexist. As a result, the control room operator instinct becomes documented knowledge, and the maintenance engineer concerns trigger systematic review. That's not a digital transformation framework, but a digital enhancement of what already works. Thank you very much for being around, and see you soon. Bye bye.